I actually think our industry, what a great time for any new person joining the vehicle leasing and rental industry. We're probably going to see the most amount of change we've seen in our industry since 2008. We've got the situation with alternative fuels, the impact on buyers, how in terms of how our business is turning, I think, more into a consumer-facing business, even though some of our businesses are more B2B. I think you can't ignore consumers, and the blurring lines between consumers and businesses is really coming together. So I think we need to adapt to the new type of buyer. Everyone's much more savvy, everyone uses the internet, so how do we adapt our businesses to be able to cope with that type of change? So firstly, I think it's a great time. There's lots of risks. I mean, I'm sat here thinking, got 50-odd thousand diesel vehicles in my fleet. That's quite scary, isn't it? That is really quite scary. But actually, what a great opportunity. Let's look at alternative fuels. Look at how we can manage our fleet. Even in the Hitachi's fleet this year, we've seen our new registrations and diesels move from 70-odd% down to about 50%. That's in 6 months. That amount of change is phenomenal. And I know there's the same in my colleagues on this table. It's the same sort of trends in our industry. So how do we cope with that significant amount of change? I'm worried about the pace of change, but actually, I think it's the right thing, and the best way to deal with change is to embrace it and get on with it. So that's probably Hitachi's view.